Hi, Cougars. This is Miss Santana. Okay, so I'm going to walk you guys really quickly through our project just as a little review as what to do. All right, last time we were here, we were doing a 3 Before Me project where you describe yourself in 3 images. So let me go ahead and walk you through that process one more time just in case. If you need to skip forward, just skip forward. That's okay. All right, so the very first thing that we did was put a title. So we're going to click on that text button here at the top and pick whichever title sequence you think is your best represents you, and you're going to put it here where it says video 1. Okay, now I'm going to double click, and when I double click you can put whatever text you want. We are going to put the words 3 me in 3 and then our name. Okay, and you can change whatever color. My favorite color is green, so I'm going to put green. All right, so once you have done all that, you're going to hit Save Changes. And now, when you hit play, you have your title sequence. Okay? So you can make the title sequence as long or as short as you like. I'm just going to make mine 4 seconds. Okay. So now that I have put my title sequence in, now I have to find three images that represent me, and I'm going to name what those are. So first thing that I love dogs. So I'm going to click up here where it says stock media, and it has a search bar here, and you're going to search for whatever you like. I like dogs, so I'm going to put dogs right here. And I'm going to make this clip really short, just about 5 seconds long. That's good. All right, so now when I start it over, I'm going to hit play. I have my title sequence, me in 3, and then it has a picture of a dog. Now I got to click on text, and I'm going to put my text on top. I'm going to drag it right on top where it says text 1. I'm going to make them match, so the image should match the text. Then I double tap the text. I'm going to say, I love dogs. And change that to whatever color you like, and whatever font you like. Okay, and you can also change the size of the font. I'm going to make it really big, 200. And then drag it to wherever you want. Hit Save Changes. All right, so I got 1 down. I'm going to do 2 more. You can watch me as I work, and then I'm going to show you how to finish the video and upload it. All right, I love food. I'm going to put Mexican food. Mexican food is my favorite. Ooh, quesadillas. Okay. All right, perfect. All right, so I have like quesadillas right here, and I'm going to just copy this one right here, and I'm going to paste it. You can just do the same process that we did earlier, but I'm being kind of lazy. If you want to add another title sequence, you just grab one of these. You type whatever it is that you like. I love Mexican food, and I got to make my font a little bit smaller because it is big. Okay, so now when I play it, now I have 2 sequences. Me in 3. I love dogs. I love Mexican food, and I need 1 more. All right. Okay, now that I've entered everything in, you can review your title. You can review all the images. I said I like dogs, I like Mexican food, and I love history. And then I put a sequence at the end that says bye. So I'm going to hit finish at the top, name your video, me in 3, hit set. Okay, so once you get to this screen, you're going to put your title, put me in 3 as your title. You're going to click HD or SD. You just need SD for this one. You make sure to mark this one here that says the drive, and then you click the export button. Once it's all done and you have completed it, you can upload it to Google Classroom, and that's what I'm going to be looking at. Okay, so make sure to go back, refresh or rewind so that way you can see what parts you need help with. If not, I'm right here to help you, and good luck. I'm excited to see your videos. Hopefully we can see the videos in class. All right. See you soon. Bye.